what are you doing? That's not Cisco PoE.
Relax, all PoE is the same. Power over Ethernet, or PoE. It's been around forever. It allows you to power your devices using the same cable that supplies them data. No power supplies, no sparkies, no dramas. It's quicker, cheaper, and cleaner. And if you haven't heard of PoE, welcome to the future. So what does PoE actually power in industry? Well, a lot. We've got wireless access points, fixed cameras, VAV controllers, HMIs, IoT sensors, and a whole bunch more. You name it, PoE powers it. Now because Cisco are like your fancy rich cousins with all of the good toys, they got some of the PoE features years before everyone else. Let's break it down. You've got PoE, OG, 15.4 watts. Great for supplying power for basic cameras and IoT sensors. Then you've got PoE Plus, 30 watts. Plenty of power for dual radio access points. And then Cisco went. So they invented UPoE, or Universal PoE, aka 4-pair PoE. It's basically overclocked PoE Plus that supplies your device with up to 60 watts of power, but still backward compatible with PoE and PoE Plus, as well as being standards friendly. And eventually the industry caught up with PoE++ and standardized 60 watts and even 90 watts of PoE power! And this is where the Cisco Industrial Ethernet range really shines. They support all of the PoE standards, whether they be fancy rich cousin standards or bona fide IEEE standards. So we've got the IE3100, a compact model that allows you to supply up to 60 watts of PoE power per port. Then we've got the IE3400 and 3500. These models can supply up to 90 watts of PoE power per port. And then if you want even more power, we have the expansion modules. 8 and 16 port options that allow you to provide up to 720 watts of PoE power per switch.
1.21 gigawatts!
Yeah, that kind of energy. And before someone says passive PoE, no, just no. Standards-based PoE exists for a reason. So in summary, IE3100 up to 60 watts per port. IE3400 30 watts per port, but up to 90 watts per port with the expansion module. The IE3500, 90 watts per port. If you need power, Cisco can deliver it. All right, I've got to get back and do some work. Doesn't seem to fit.